Welcome back to the 1334 podcast. Today I'm joined with Ty from the Cities of Refuge Ministries. Could you give us a quick introduction about what you guys do?
Okay, with Cities of Refuge, we call it CORE. We are a nonprofit since 2011, and what we focus on is empowering families, enriching kids. We believe in education is kind of our platform, and we have several different entities that fall up under CORE, which is me, Asher Holistic Living. I am a nutritionist, so I focus on holistic health. I believe that what's put here on this earth is good for you, as far as food, eating the right food. Yeah. So I teach my clients how to have a healthy relationship with food. And we also have Solomon Leadership Academy. It's a daycare, and we are super excited about our daycare because we are transitioning to a new location, so we're expanding.
Awesome.
So that's the new thing with Solomon Leadership Academy. And then we have Core Ed tutoring. So that is kind of after school thing where we have, students come in and they get extra help with their work.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how did you get involved with CORE?
So I got involved because it's my husband started it.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Jonathan Johnson, and we are in ministry together.
Awesome.
So the Lord gave him CORE back in 2011 because we believe in serving. So we believe in getting out there and doing something for the community. Yeah. So building relationships, giving back. So that is kind of how CORE got started with my husband.
Real hands and feet.
Hands and feet.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep.
So part of your part of the organization, you said holistic living, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So how did you get involved in that? Was there, are you a dietitian, a nutritionist?
Yeah. So I actually went back to school to get my master's in complementary alternative medicine.
Okay, cool.
So Asher kind of was birthed out of that back in 2016. So I was doing it kind of part-time because I was working full-time. So I do meal prep. So I fix meals for my clients Monday through Friday. I tell them they don't have to think. I make sure that what they're eating is what they need. So I help people. I've helped people with gout, transition that, diabetes, high blood pressure, weight loss. So that is kind of how my baby got born because we here on this earth and we seem to be busy bees and we don't stop to take time to feed our body what we need. So I was like, I need to figure out something that I can do for the people, not only for me, but what can I do to help people stop and eat? So being able to just grab and go, because I fix most of my meals in mason jars.
Okay.
So just having that concept of having the food ready and prepped, it takes the guesswork out for my clients. So I am a nutritionist. I believe that I'm a motivator. I love pouring into people. But I tell folks, if you just do what I tell you to do, you will see the results.
Yeah.
So Asher Holistic Living is like my baby. I love it so much. It's the tribe.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's awesome. Have you seen any crazy sort of transformations from it?
Yes, I have. I have one client. She actually, and I have pictures to prove it. She'll send me pictures. I don't want to give too much of her business out, but she basically looked younger. And you can tell she sends a before picture and an after picture. And just by having a healthy relationship with food, and when I say holistic living, I believe in mind, body, and soul, meaning that you have to exercise, you have to eat well, and you have to do some type of meditation, whether you're sitting with the Lord or, going for walks, doing something to ground you. And honestly, by her doing that, doing that holistic part, she began to look different. And people wouldn't even recognize her.
Wow.
So, that has been my biggest joy, just seeing clients like that feel better, being able to bend down and touch their toes.
Yeah.
We take it for granted sometimes, but, it's people that are not able to do that. So doing that it just makes me happy,
Yeah.
to be able to help people live.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know how much my dad want me to share, but he's on a journey now where he's lost nearly 50 pounds in the past 4 months,
Awesome.
almost entirely from walking.
Yeah, and that's what I tell. Just
Yep.
get out, and you don't have to do anything crazy. Like I'm a big advocate with just walking, just getting out and just looking.
It
and,
sounds too simple to actually work,
yeah,
but it
but it works.
Yep.
Yes, because I actually, I don't know if too much for me to share, but but I know a lot of people going through perimenopause. You don't know nothing about that because you a man. But it's something that hit me out of nowhere. And, with women, we carry that stubborn weight in our midsection. And I've never really had issues with losing weight. But back in June, like, I thought I was just going to throw in a towel because I started putting on weight and I'm like, I'm the person, I'm the nutritionist. I should know what to do, but nothing was working.
Yeah.
But I decided to just walk. Like, just be consistent every day or 3 to 4 days out the week, walking and making sure that I'm eating the things that, when your body change, you got to start eating stuff that is different sometimes.
Yeah.
So I started making sure I incorporate more fruits and vegetables. I started eliminating. I actually eliminated chicken.
Really?
And turkey, like just stuff like that just sits heavy on your midsection. And for my women that are probably listening to this, I think I cracked the code. Because I don't have any, like I used to be crazy with hot flashes. Like I don't have that many, I don't have hot flashes at all now.
Wow.
And the herb that helped with that? Black cohosh. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's COHASH, I think.
Is it like a tea or what?
Oh, it comes in, you can get it in a pill form. You can put it in tea, but I just take it as a liquid. Like every day.
Tincture kind of thing? Like a tincture kind of thing?
Yeah, I just squirt. Yeah, it's just a liquid form of
Really?
black cohosh. So that's the secret. If anybody listening, take that every day and be consistent with walking.
Yeah.
Just like how you said with your dad, just get out and walk, and you will feel the difference.
Yeah.
So
what would you say is the minimum effective dose? So, like, do you need to walk for 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week? Or
yeah.
What would you say is the...
So it depends on the individual and how much. So for some, I tell just give me 30 minutes, 3 days a week. For others, I say 45 minutes. So it's between 30 to 45 minutes. You don't even have to do more than that. So if you give me 2 miles, 1 to 2 miles a day,
Yeah.
you're doing pretty good.
That's awesome.
And I tell my clients, just give me 3 or 4 days. That's all I ask. Just get out, get moving. If you want to incorporate some light strength training, that's awesome as well. But just walk.
Have you experimented with rucking at all? Like walking with weight on?
Yes, I actually walk with a weighted vest on.
Oh, really?
I do. It's I think it's a 10 or 15 pound weighted vest. My daughter actually got it for me.
Really?
Yeah, so I just started. I've been walking with it for about a month.
Awesome.
Yeah, so it helps.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to run with it on. No, that didn't work too well. So I typically, when it's my walking days, I put on my weighted vest, and I do tell my clients, if you're able, if you don't do the weighted vest, get ankle weights,
Yeah.
or wrist weights, because that'll help with the strength training part.
I didn't run for about 1.5 to 2 years, and I only did weighted walks. And then when I went to run again, I was running more consistently
Yeah,
at the same pace with a lower heart rate, which I thought was crazy. No running, but
yeah.
walking with a weighted vest improved my running.
Yes,
Which-
and that's crazy that you say that, because now I'm thinking, because when I do on my running days, I have been seeing like my runs have been more consistent. And I never thought about that until you just said it. And my heart rate, because when I went for a checkup, my doctor asked, have your heart rate always been 50 or so? Like, my heart rate is like an athletic,
Yeah.
like a person that runs, and I've never had that before. So that's kind of cool that you did.
So I was looking it up, and what I was reading was saying that walking with weight
Yeah.
gets you in like a zone 2 kind of heart rate where you can improve your aerobic foundation from you literally just walking.
That is so cool.
And
Yeah.
it said you get the most from about 30 to 45 minutes, which is
That's cool.
really cool.
So do your dad, does he walk with the weighted vest?
He actually just got
got it?
a 25-pound.
Oh, he got 25.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago, he did a 13-mile walk. I was like, you are insane.
13?
13. I don't know why he wants.
He just got up one day and said, I'm just going.
Yeah, just went for a walk and kept going.
Oh, my goodness. Well, because when I walked about, it probably was last month, I just started walking and I got to 3. And then I just kept going and I just ended up doing 6 miles.
Yeah. He was just like, I just want to see how much further I can go.
Yeah.
And so he's just.
13, though?
Yep.
Wow.
So, I was like-
how far have you walked? What's your longest walk?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
Last week I ran a half marathon,
Okay.
13.1. I wasn't walking it though.
Uh-huh.
I don't know
A
if you
half
want to count that.
marathon is what?
13.1 miles.
What? You ran that?
Last Sunday. So tomorrow I'll run 6 miles, and then I'll do. I usually do 3 to 4 miles a day for 5 days out of the week, and then the 6th day I do a longer one.
What? Okay, you a beast. You doing it? That's awesome.
So I haven't done any long walks yet. Maybe I should though. Put a weight vest on and go walk.
Yeah,
Let's see how far I can go.
maybe 15 miles.
Try. Take a long time.
How long did it take? How many hours do you know it took your dad to walk 13 miles?
Oh, I don't know. I need to ask him. I think it was a 4 or so.
4? That's good.
4 or 5 hours, something like that. I can. But
My friend did 10 miles, and it took her 5 hours, I think.
Really?
Yeah, so if your dad did it in 4,
Well, he said he's doing a little over 3 miles an hour, 3 to 3.5 miles an hour. So
okay.
whatever that maths out to, 4.5 hours.
I don't know. You making me do math. I don't know.
Something
like that.
I need another coffee.
No.
That's cool. So Cities of Refuge. So you have your part of it for health and everything, but what all do you guys do exactly? More than just health, I'm sure.
Yeah, so like I said, with the Solomon Leadership Academy, that is the daycare.
Yeah.
That we go up from 6 weeks to
Merry Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving.
3 years old before they transition to pre-K.
Okay.
So we're actually working on trying to become a pre-K center as well. So like I was saying, I'm grateful for the transition. So that will allow us to basically transition to get more kids and to go into pre-K and all this other stuff. So
is it like a free service you guys are offering?
no, Solomon Leadership Academy is like a private daycare.
Okay.
So it is paid. So the people got to pay. But we do have, because we are nonprofit, we try our best to help those that are not able to maybe pay the full amount. So that is why we have all of these different entities that fall up under CORE, because a little bit that I'm like, what I do, it goes back into the pocket of CORE.
Yeah.
So that we are able to help those that are not able to, maybe pay the full amount, or
Like a separate for-profit arm kind of thing?
yeah,
Cool.
to help out. Yeah.
That's cool.
I think so.
I wasn't sure kind of what all is, I guess, the service. You know what I mean?
Which
So like your clients, like, I wasn't sure like how much is paid and unpaid and that kind of thing. Like,
okay.
so if somebody reaches out to you for the daycare or diet advice or anything, like how much is actually should they allot to paying for certain services? You know what I mean?
Okay, so I think I know what you mean. So, for example, so if someone reaches out to us, as far as like for me, for services with healthcare or something like that, I don't charge for consultations, like to just talk to people and kind of tell them try to see where they are and give them kind of feedback like that. When it starts going into a charge fee is with the meal services and
gotcha.
stuff like that. But like going out and setting up in the community and like going to schools, like I like going into schools, and I'm actually going into a school soon to talk to little kids about fruits and vegetables and farming and how to grow things, and allowing them to try different vegetables or stuff that they haven't, because a lot of people don't know what bok chow is, or, you know, have seen it or seen actual squash in person. So I go into the school system and do like demonstrations, cooking demonstrations. So those are kind of like free services on the educational part. The same with the daycare. I know that she works a lot with the parents and just doing things outside of the daycare, whether it's taking the kiddos to Mark Mellow Patch. Did I say that right?
Mark's Melon, yeah.
Yeah, they and doing stuff like that. So we try to stay connected with the families outside of like the business, you know, not looking for money every which way we turn.
So you do charge for the meals, but like you're not just giving out free meals, essentially.
No, but just like I said, like if we have people that are in need, like we listen to the need. We, as a board, we come together and kind of meet, and see what each individual person need, and if we are able to fulfill that need, then you know, we will try our best to do that, to pay for the service for them out of core.
Gotcha.
Pay for Asher.
Gotcha. Okay.
So cool. So that is what core does. We try to build a pocket where we're able, and that's why we're here today, where we're able to give back to certain people.
Yeah. That's awesome.
So
so how can people get connected with you and your organization?
They can go to ministries.core on Instagram, and they can also reach out to us. We have a phone number. It's 229-234-0752. And if you want to online, go to our website. It's core.ministries, and core is spelled COR.ministries.org.
Awesome. Is there anything you'd want to add or say to anyone watching?
No, I think we talked about it all. Just please, if you can, check out our website, follow us, see what we're up to. And if you're able to donate toward our daycare, which I said plenty of time that we're transitioning. So we take cleaning supplies, diapers, whatever you can, monetary donations to help towards our cause.
Yeah. Awesome.
Right.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much.